Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property located in the community of Chateau, Clarendon. It is located less than 10 minutes from the MCLEAN town center. This home features an open concept living, dining and kitchen. This property sits on 1/4 acre of land and has grill windows and is completely fenced. There is also space for vertical expansion, making this an excellent starter home. The decor of this home is modern and features cool colors and contemporary lighting fixtures. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.